to number 14, pass to number 19, 19 for green, now rebound by number 13. 42, number 14, pass to number 11. Shot clock violation. And number 32, nagdadala ng bola. Number 32, shot, wala. Rebound by number 32 again. Number 32, pass to number 25. Number 25, pass to number 25. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng papasahan, pass to number 14, number 14, pass to number 32. 10 to shoot, number 32, pass to number 11, shot. Yes for 2. Number 32, nagdadala ng bola. Number 32. 10 to shoot, number wala. Out of bounds. 5. Yes for 2. Number 19, Adriano. Pass to number 32. Pass to kay Beto. Di mo sinira. Sinira mo pinatawag.
Magpaking ka lang dyan, kuya.
Number 32, driving the ball. Number 32, nice to number 10, out of ball, same ball. Number 25, shot. No, rebound by number 30. Number 14, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 32. Number 32, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 14. 10 to shoot. Number 14, no rebound by number 10. Yes for 2 by number 10. Number 12, pass to number 32. Number 32. Pass to number 9, pass to number 17, number 17, pass to number 26, shot, no rebound by number 25, shot, wala na rebound by number 17, still the number 25, number 25, Lopez, pass to number 17, shot, yes for 2. Number 14, the red leg out. Number 19, Adriano. The red leg double. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 14. 10 to shoot. Number 14. Pass to number 10. Shot. Yes for 2. Yes for 2. Number 32. The red leg double. Adriano nakakasama. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 32. Number 32, Suarasa. Pass to number 17. Number 17 for 2. Now rebound by number 14. Number 14, pass to number 32. Number 32, pass to number 19. Number 19, number 19, Adriano. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 14. Pass to shoot. Pass to shoot. Pass to number 14. Number 32, pass to number 9. The number 9 directed number 32. Number 32, the whole leg ball. Pass to number 25. Wala rebound by number 14. The number 40. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 32. Number 32, pass to number 10. Shot. Wala rebound by number 32. Pass to number 11. Number 26, pass to number 10, Lawan Tira, wala rebound by number 25, pass to number 25, number 25, number 25, shot. Yes. Finally, the ball. Number 40, pass to number 11, Navarro. Pinalik kay number 40, pass to number 10. Number 10, shot, one. Yes, for two. Number 32, the ball. Number 32, shot. No, rebound by number 25. Easy roller to allow them. Rebound by number 32. Number 32, pass to number 10. Number 10, to Rosary Cabal, pass to number 9, Adriana, Dominican number 10, pass to number 11, Nagano, number 26, pass to number 18, pass to number 32, shot, number 32, DJ, number 25, yes, pumasok na rin ang follow, pang-apat na tira.
Grabe. Kapag yan sa akin tingnan yung valuation lagi na.
Number 10, pass to number 11, number 26, pass to number 18, pass to number 17, sumalaksak, at ang bang sa ibon. Pumasok ang unang tira. Pangalawang tira ni number 25, second draw. No rebound by number 10, number 14 pala, number 14, nakakuha ng foul, so red foul number 26.
Sino pinatay ba ito?
First personal foul, first team foul. Tamang ang foul. Number 14, naghahanap ng paksa. Nagiyaw si number 10. Number 10, pinalik na yung number 14. Number 14, shot. Yes, for two by number 14. Carlos Uga. What's up? Carlos Uga. Number 22, basta number 18. Number 18, the red. Out of ball, stay ball. 9 to shoot, 9 to shoot, 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Pass to number 32. 5 to shoot. Number 17, wala. Out of bounds. Stay ball. Yes for two. Number 32, pass to number 10, number 10, dribbling the ball. Number 10, dribbling the ball, number 10, pass number 19, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10, shot. Yes for two. Number 18, dribbling the ball. May tawag ka. Number 32, dribbling the ball. Number 32, pass number 18, number 18 for two. Now rebound by number 14. Ikaw.
Mabait yung mga yan. Igigil lang kayo, wala kayong kapalit.
10 to shoot. 16 pa lang. 10 to shoot. Number 14, Espinos. Pass to number 11, dito sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 18. Number 18. The Rosary Cabal. Number 18. Pass to number 25. Yes, for two. By number 20. Number 4, ang Pedrana Gala. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 32. Number 32, binalik kay number 10. Number 10, naghahanap ng pasta. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 32. Pass to shoot. Wala, di ba kay number 14? Number 14 again. Number 19 pala. Di ba kay number 32? Number 32, the Rosary Cabal. Number 32, nagmadala number 32. Pass to number 25. Shot. Go. Nakakuha ng foul sa ref, foul number 26 yun eh. 12 seconds sa matigil ng oras sa ating first quarter, number 11. Wala, rebound by number 25. Number 25.